Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, I'll show you the number swapping using between two numbers in Java using third variable with explanation with a dry run. So actually the number swapping means you provide two numbers. Say if I, as example, if I say equal to 5 and b equal to 7, then after execute the program, the output will becomes like a equal to 7 and b equal to 5. Okay, so it is our input and it is our output. So the core concept is in number swapping using third variable is in that situation we take a temporary variable, say temp. So the core concept is define that first we hold the temporary variable the value of a, say a. Now then a equal to b and b equal to 10. So if we make a dry run on it as per our previous example, that is a equal to 5 and b equal to 7. So that means a equal to input is equal to 5 and b equal to 7. So as per the first line temp, so the temp value temp equal to a, that means 5. Now a equal to b, that means 7 and b equal to 10, that means 10 value right now is 5. So simply it is swap and comes our expected output. So it is the dry run. So I will create a project in our IDE and show the programming in our IDE. So let's go to our IDE. Now I create a new project, say Java next the project name say swap number. Okay, swap number. I will change my directory. Okay, swap number. Okay, so my project is ready to write the code, and I will take a new Java class, say swap number. Okay. Class is ready. Say write a new function. Now static void swap number. So here I will take two variables, int a and int b. Now simply first I print string dot out dot println before swap a equal to class a and b equal to class b. Now I take a temporary variable, say temp. Now the logic behind is temp equal to a equal to b and b equal to temp. Now similarly I can print this, just change this after. Okay, so now I call my function int say 5, 7. Now I run my code. Okay, process is building. See, before swap a equal to 5, b equal to 7, and after swap a equal to 7 and b equal to 5. Let's check with another example. You can say 12 and 18. Now I run again. You can see first value is a equal to 12, second value is b equal to 18, and after swapping a equal to 18 and b equal to 12. So it is the expected output, and if you want to take the source code, you can check my blog in TikTok with devabruto360.com, and the link also available in description box. And in next video I will show you the number swapping between two numbers without using any third variable. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.